Welcome to the part of XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Now just click here to the screen recorder section, and here you'll set a sound source. Click here, and now we got selected here the system sound. That means that in screen recorder video will hear only the system sounds here. We can change it to the mic. This means the microphone. So if, for example, if you want to comment something, you should just click here to the microphone, and its microphone will be activated in your screen recorder video, and you can comment something. And also we just can mute your video, and this video will just mute it. So that's it. That's how to change the sound settings in screen recorder videos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.